how to withdraw money from crypto.com. So here's how it works. You might need to sell your cryptocurrency in order to get the money first. So in order to do that, all you need to do is to select the cryptocurrency from the home screen, and then you will sell the selected amount which you want to withdraw. But let's say that you already have money which you want to withdraw from your account. How can we do that? You will go and click on accounts, the second tab here, and then you want to scroll down until you see either Euro, USD, or some fiat currency. You will need to open up a separate account for that. So you just want to click on that specific fiat currency, and here you will just select agree and continue. Now you will need to verify using a utility bill. So you just want to confirm your address. And once you have done this, then here you will see an option to withdraw to your bank account, as long as you have linked a bank account previously. And if you have sufficient funds, you will just click on withdraw, then you will type the amount which you want to withdraw, and that is going to cash you out to your bank account which you have linked. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.